Hi guys, I'm Anthony, and today we are unboxing Star Wars Black Series centerpiece. So this is a centerpiece. You can put it anywhere you want. You can put it on the table, wherever you feel like doing a desk. It lights up. It says it right here. It says that it lights up, and it uses 2 AAA batteries. On the back, you will see that the way that it's supposed to look. Darth Vader getting out of the door. I think this is when he starts killing everybody. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. So it has a piece of tape right here. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this is number 1. So they also have Luke Skywalker centerpiece. I will be getting that soon, and I will unbox this for you guys. So this is how it looks when you open it. It comes in a plastic, right like that. In the manual book, and the centerpiece is on the other side. So after you cut it, you cut these strips on it. It's really a nice plastic. It's nice and hard. It has awesome details on it. It's really really nice. This is the door. And these are, thinking this is the bottom pieces of the centerpiece. Hey, let me cut this right here. This is the centerpiece right here. This is how it looks. You take this, throw this out. You open. I mean, I like how it comes all bagged up. So you put this piece right here and the other piece right there. So then you're gonna see the 2 bottom. So there's a screw here. You unscrew that. I did it already, and it's a small screw. And you put your 2 AAA batteries. 1, 2. So I forgot to mention, when you're taking the screw out and the little spring, well, when you're gonna change the battery, and you put the new ones in, be careful putting in the screw, because the little spring for the battery, it makes it jump a little. And my screw just took off. That's why I had to cut a little bit of this video so I can get the screw and put it back in. But you guys gotta be careful with that when you're changing your batteries or putting new batteries in. Yeah. So you're gonna take this piece, you're gonna slide it right in here. Sorry, you gotta put this first. You put the piece together first. There you go. So you put the base first and push it down, and then you're gonna put this like that. So you got that part also. So now you take the door, which Darth Vader knocked out, and you're gonna put it on this side. You're gonna see to put this in. I'm sorry, I don't know how to call that. So you're gonna see that little hole, and then you're gonna find a place you can put it together. There you go. That's how it looks right there. Now let's get Darth Vader. So Darth Vader, he comes all broken down. So you want to be really careful when you're taking this off. You don't want to break anything. This is his cape. And this is the bottom piece right here. You can see the lightsaber is in there. I gotta take it from the other side, but let me take Darth Vader first. Gotta be nice and careful. There we go. That's how he looks. And little nice explosion right there. And then you take this off. I'm thinking, yep, you slice right off. There you go. Slice right off. And now you take, it looks like he comes apart, if I'm not mistaken. If he doesn't come apart, he should be coming apart. So you gotta be really careful. So it took me a while, but all right, I got it. It's really hard to take it out, to take them apart, and you have to take them apart in order to put this stuff in. Is the rest of his body. So you're gonna take this, take his legs, and you're gonna put this right on top. It's a little struggle, but it goes right in. There you go. So then you take his upper body and you push it as hard as you can. Be careful, you don't want to damage Darth Vader. It's really tough to get it in. Take it in now is pain. Okay, so his cape. You're gonna take his cape and you're gonna try and put it. See on the back. You're gonna see those, and then it clips like right in, I guess. Let's do it. Here we go. You push it right in there. There we go. Then you take his head and carefully put it in, push it inside. There we go. And that's how Darth Vader looks. Pretty nice. Now you're gonna take the explosion piece, which it lights up. Thinking goes like so. Now you're gonna see. Now you're gonna push it in there as much as you can. There we go. And that's how you put that explosion in. So Darth Vader. There you go. All right, so you see the little hole right there. So Darth Vader has a little bit right here. So you're gonna get him, stretch his legs out. There's another hole over here, which you are putting the other leg. Then carefully, you know, push him in there. There we go. And next, the lightsaber. So the lightsaber, see there's a little tip in it. You're gonna put that in over here. Carefully push it in like that, and he's finished. So from 1 to 10, I give this centerpiece, I give it a 10, just because the quality of this product is amazing. I think Hasbro did a good job. I forgot to mention, this is a Hasbro company. They did this nice centerpiece. They getting nice on collectible toys. Like if you like to collect, Hasbro been having really nice items, and this is one of those items that looks really awesome. And to turn that light on, I'm thinking this is the switch right here. There we go. Oh my God, look at that. Now that's nice right there. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a close-up for you guys. So I guess if you push this, leave it pushed in, and it will stay on. And this is amazing. Look at that. So look how nice he looks. This is a nice detailed product, man. And it only costs $50. They have it in Walmart, Target, Amazon, and I'm thinking Toys R Us should have it. I'm gonna do another video, and I'm gonna be unboxing Luke Skywalker. And yeah, Luke Skywalker is getting on his spaceship that been blown up, and he's about to fight the stormtroopers, and I'm really looking forward to get that. This is a really nice product. I cannot lie, this is an amazing thing. So if you guys want to see more unboxing, just click that subscribe button, and I'll be unboxing more subscription boxes, collectibles, and stuff like this, man. This is a really awesome piece, and I'm so impressed what Hasbro did. They did a really good job. Yes, there's not much left to say. Just catch me on my next unboxing reviewing video. It's gonna be Luke Skywalker, and that will be number 2. So stay tuned for more unboxing, and I'll be unboxing more subscription boxes this week. Thank you, and have a great day.